Paolo and Kim, you're perfect match. Talagang ganda naman match. Love you both.
Wow! Tsaka meron tayong, Paolo, don't lean lang me, marry me.
Don't lean lang me.
Ano yung third? Ano yung third? The one and only Mr. Right.
Sing to me, please.
Ano, one night ba gusto mo?
Tapos na siya kumanta. Ayoko, may bayan.
Hindi ako magaling mag-acapella eh.
Nakalimutan pa.
Kung wala, then we'll move to the next one.
I love you, Paolo.
We'll move to the next one.
I love you, Paolo. Thank you, man. Salamat po.
Paolo, age.
Pero kung mapansin ko, naglalakihan yung mga diamante ng mga taga-Florida. Paolo, age is just a number. How young are you?
16.
Paolo, age.
Bakit kasi mali?
Oh, hindi pa ako umabot sa Pilipinas. I'm kidding. Hello, I just want...
Next one.
I'm yours, SIO.
Anong SIO?
Show? What's show? I should hear my pop. Oh, sorry, slow.
I'm your show, I'm your Pao.
Kasi
Show Pao.
yun po yung spelling ng pangalan niyo.
Ano na to? I'm your show. And you're my... Oh, so I'm your show. And you're my power.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Bakit kayo dito? Bakit kayo dito?
Boss,
Hoy, pakita natin, mami. Pakita natin.
Pakita, harap mo tayo, harap dito.
Boss, I'll be the Kim to your Pao. Ooh. Gusto niyo po ba?
Kaya mo pa ba, mami? Kaya mo pa ba?
Ang lalaki. Ang lalaki ng mga diamante.
Ay, bata pa si mami, 71.
Ay, salamat po. Nay. Sige, manong na lang po ako sa inyo.
Ay,
There we go.
Hindi ba tayo, ma? Para hindi pa kayo mahirapan.
apa.
Another one here. I'm your fan.
O, eto. O, walang picture. I'm your fan, Paolo. Ang ganda.
Take pictures with me, Paolo. May
Wala
camera
kang
po
sa
ba kayo?
Paolo. Ikaw
Oh,
ang
you
mag-Paolo.
forgot your camera.
Meron siya photographer dyan, oh.
Ang dami. Ayan pa ha.
Ano yung
Ayan pa tayo. Next one.
Next. Hi, Mr. Paolo. Can I be your Juliana? So, pagtataksilan ko rin ako. Si Juliana. Thank you. Hello.
Oh, ayan, oh. I love.
Oh, you made this? Wow, it's colorful.
I love KFC.
I heart TFC. Thank you for visiting. Oh, really?
Napaka-artistic naman.
Oo, eyeliner ang pinangsulat.
Yeah, I got this last minute with highlighter. The rest, I just, I got bored and I decided to make this for you.
Are
Have you
you?
watched Paolo's movie or show?
I've seen Midlag. I would sneak out and watch it with my mom. at
Oh, okay.
night.
Your mom's Filipino.
Yep, she is.
Where is she?
She's somewhere in the audience. I don't know where she is. Mom, where are you?
Hello,
Mom,
Mommy.
where are you?
Okay. I'll show this.
Next one.
Siyempre si Paolo pipili ng isa. Oh, dyan. Oh, eto pa.
Thank you.
We love you.
Next one.
Hello, Miss Teen.
Hi.
Sorry, can I read your sash? Miss Teen Daytona. Whoa.